where is the storm right now? Where is the storm right now, and where is it headed?
The storm just passed through the Keys last night and yesterday afternoon. It's headed towards southeast Louisiana or southern coastal Mississippi. That's the best that we have right now, but there's a larger than normal spread of the models. So it's really kind of more up in the air than usual 72 hours before landfall.
That's a good point. Now, it would put it on a path, I think, to strike New Orleans on the anniversary, the 7th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina, correct?
That's one possible scenario that we're looking at. Right now, the storm's not expected to be nearly that strong as Katrina, so I'm not anticipating any of those style impacts. But again, as New Orleans Mayor Landrieu said at his press conference yesterday, these storms have a way of doing the unexpected. So it's really best to kind of heed local advice at this point because this storm could end up being unpredictable.
That's a good point. I got to say, throwing myself in here, I lived in Florida in 2004. We had Hurricane Charlie, Hurricane Francis, I want to say Hurricane Ivan, and they all did things you wouldn't expect. Charlie was supposed to hit Tampa Square, and we were all panicked, and then it took a right turn at the last minute. So I guess that's something we can expect from this storm potentially is a path that no one expects at this point.
It's definitely possible. There are some models that bring it all the way over to southeast Texas. So and the models have continued shifting west over the last 2 or 3 days, really. So as you recall, that's why the convention postponed today was because we were going to take a direct hit in Tampa, but now that's shifted a couple hundred miles to the west.
And to be sure, we have states of emergency, I believe, in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama.
Yep, that sounds right.
Are there any others any other states that are worried? You said Texas is worried about a direct impact potentially.
They haven't raised their alert level yet, but the city of New Orleans is also in a state of emergency right now. There's supposed to be a press conference before noon today where I could anticipate some maybe preliminary evacuations if the forecast track remains as it is right now.
Okay, great. Eric, thank you so much for joining us.